going on, bearded brethrens, my brethrens of the beard? It is I, the Bearded Jester, coming at you live with another beard product review. Hold on, homie. Did you just say beard product review? Yeah, so what? Beard product review, so what? Homie, you barely have any hang time in your beard as it is. You know what, I can't argue with that. I cannot argue, you're right, but I can fix that. Hold up. Bam! Look at me now, am I respected in the streets now? Can I go to your hood, walk down the streets, and get respect on my beard? Put some respect on my beard. Look how this thing swishes out like some wild terrorist. All right, let me be back. I think that kind of smells kind of funny. I don't know if that's some fourth world Nigerian hair or not, but I can't rock with that. Listen, all seriousness, this beard product review is going to be awesome, and I have an array of products right here with me now that I'm eventually going to review all of them, but I'm not going to review all of them right now. But there is one product that stands out from this company right now, Untamed Beards. Let me tell you about this company. Listen, you ever wake up in the morning, all right, and your beard looks like freaking Napoleon Dynamite's fro? Or you wake up in the morning and your beard looks like Chewbacca? Well, have no fear, guys, because this company has awesome products that can tame your mane. So this product I'm about to review is actually run by a guy named Nick from the mean streets of New York. When I first found out he was actually from the same state I'm from, I was like, homie, I never said you were getting a cameo. This is my show. All right, yeah, you got a luscious beard, homie, but what are you just gonna stand there? You gonna hang? All right, hang around there. What do you want from me? Anyway, this guy's a guy named Nick. He actually runs an awesome beard company. Caught my eye. One product, right? I have an array of products from him right now, but we're only gonna review one for this video because I feel like it stands out from a lot of beard products out there, and I just had to review it. It had to be one of my first videos on my channel. Bam! Right here, the Gatsby. No, not the Great Gatsby. Gatsby. This is great too, but we're talking about the Gatsby. And when I found out what's in this product, I was like, it made me think, is this gonna be lady approved? My woman gonna like it? Is your woman gonna like it? Is this broad gonna like it? That's what's going through my head. Because there's nothing worse than trying to kiss your woman and she steps away like you have some type of face herpes. No, homie, those are all the things that were going through my head. But when I read the description on the sense of this product, it really caught my eye. There's sandalwood, leather, and espresso. And I was like, how the hell is this gonna smell? Very interesting combination. I'd never really smelled this combination like this before, and I tell you right now, it is extremely unique. Not to mention, this is in a 3.5 ounce bottle, almost 4 ounces of product you're dealing with here that's gonna last you a long time. And not to mention, the price is freaking awesome. And what's awesome about this company that really stands out from other competitions out there is they actually concentrate on suiting almost every beardsman's needs, if you think about it. And I'll explain that right now. This one right here is more of a, this is the Gatsby still. This is more of a light to natural hold. As you can see, it's extremely smooth, almost like a butter, but not. It still has a good hold, more of a light hold than anything else, but it smells amazing. You see, it emulsifies really well in the hands. And they have one, this is the Gatsby again, more of a firm to strong hold, which I like personally, because my hairs look like Curly Sue's dome in the morning. And this actually tames it really well. As you can see, it's a lot harder to get out, but once you get it moving, it emulsifies really well in the hand, and it controls the hairs like crazy. But what else is good about this company, they like I said, they suit every beardsman's needs. They have beard balm, beard oil, and they also, in the beard oil, they have the pump action. They actually have the controlled drip bottle version as well. They also sell accessories as well on their website. You can check them out on their Instagram as well. Their customer service is bar none awesome. Their scents are amazing. And as you can see, they have a full array of different senses that they're dealing with. And this is just the beginning. I'm sure he's gonna conjure up something more than this, but this is awesome stuff. Like I said, they have the pump action right here for the oil. They have the the controlled drip right here. But these scents, I can tell you right now, I'm gonna review all of them. Not in this video because I don't want to make it too long. I'm telling you, this beard company is awesome and it's a must have. And as you can see, I went wild. And this is probably in a matter of like 3 weeks to a month. I collected all this. And I just want a huge shout out to my man Nick. My man Nick, still hanging up there strong. Shout out to you, brother. Thank you for everything. I know I gotta speak to you. My neck is hurting. But thank you for everything, man. Your company is awesome. I highly recommend it for any beardsman out there to take a shot at this product. It is awesome, and I highly recommend it. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Bearded brethrens, my brethrens of the beard. And I'm out of here. And yeah, take it easy, guys.